up to date with the lay of the land, feather and cap and the sun in the sand. It was easy to understand. Everything suddenly falls out of sight.